Today is not a normal live, but it's a kind of a job for me to kind of stay get ready for this upcoming event. We're going to Hawaii here soon, so I need to go ahead and get everything done and out of the way before that happens. I've got to finish these harnesses. I've had several last minute harnesses come in, so we got to put our nose to the grindstone and make some stuff happen. So where's my X marks this spot? Let's make a new one. Uh, pretty well centered, something like that. Yeah, I like that. Um, I don't know. Uh, my shop's a mess, but I'm gonna check this out. Oh, I can't talk. I can't swap it around. Never mind. I'm stuck on this live. Whatever. So I've got lots more to do. Got to stay on the X. I'm trying to hop in here and like check out comments and stuff with you guys. And, I don't need that. Yeah, it should cover everything. But yeah, I'm trying to just get some stuff done. It's just I just added another thing to my plate. So I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I've got a whole nother trip I've got to plan. So we'll see how this goes. So I will be going live if all goes well tomorrow. I re- Excuse me. I ran out of daylight today, and I needed to finish this anyway, so part of it. I'm going to be working on that electric motor. Hopefully, if all goes well tomorrow, and I normally, like I said, don't do work like this on Fridays. I work Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at my RF supply, and then I do extra work on my own stuff, uh, or side projects, personal things, anything else like that after hours. And there's a pick that I need. It's not right here. There it is, way over there. This is the pick I need. I am not able to do so because I ran out of light and it got too cold. So I'm in here in the heat, and we'll start a new day tomorrow. Maybe I'll get an early start at it. I'm not much of an early bird. Unfortunately, I'm a bit of a night owl. Uh, so we'll see how that goes. No, don't take this as my other live starting at like 4 or 5 o'clock. That I'm getting up at 5 o'clock at night. That ain't happening. It just took me a bit to finish out my Saturday and get it started when we were doing that motor the other day. But hey, we got some progress, and we'll be doing some more progress here tomorrow. But I got to finish up this 400 real quick. I've got 6 more jumpers, then I'll be done. Then I got to build a UHF split feed, and then I'm caught up with that. Then I've got some 7/8 wire that'll be here next week. I'll be working on, and then I got some 1/2 inch flex wire that'll be here hopefully towards the end of next week if all goes well. Um, and then I'll be completing those jobs. What'd you make? And cold too. Look, hang on. No, I got a solution for you. You ready? Boom. In there. You see my door? Sorry, we're talking about a door. I made a new opening. It's not all. Yeah, I've got to work out and clean, but what are you talking about? Propane?
I don't know.
It's probably them trash bags. They need.
Cold?
It is just now getting to 48 degrees in here.
Where's the camera?
You can hold it right here.
Cause chaos.
It is food day. Look, they took off. You scared them off. They ran away.
You have no comments.
Yeah, I just made it. I literally just went live about, I don't know, a couple minutes ago.
You have no watchers.
Not right now. They gone. It's Friday. Sorry, you can show them for later. No, it's a Friday night. I don't. I'm very really live on Friday night.
Oh.
Yeah. No, I don't need to tag everybody. They can check this out later. There's plenty of them that get to watch it. Hey, heck yeah, man. Shoot. Yes, for sure. It's good. Does a great job.
I have a watcher.
All right. This is.
I'm in there falling apart.
The old fried pies. You got to move it over there if you want them to see it.
One is strawberry rhubarb, and the other is peach.
All right, we're pie day. Everybody's checking out the pies. Okay, thank you very much.
Here.
Oh. Oh no! Yeah, let me see what's on my life.
What?
Right there.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, we're good. Sorry about that, guys. Something happened to the live. Yeah, strawberry rhubarb is fine, but I don't need sweets right now. It's good. Okay. What is this called? Just a pie? Strawberry rhubarb pie? I don't know what's the difference between this and like an empanada. What's the difference between this and like an empanada or something? Meat? It's meat? Okay. I don't know. It looks... Okay. Oh, you're trying to give me junk food. Oh. Oh. Well, you guys got to see some strawberry rhubarb pie, is that what you called it? And peach pie. I'm going to zoom out just a smidge. I think it's probably going to help the video.
Split screen.
What?
I don't have a split screen.
Because it kills the comments. I can't see them very well on YouTube and stuff. Did I zoom out good enough? I can't tell.
You should open a new.
Let's click YouTube. I already did. I opened a whole new windows and everything.
No, you should open another thing and then minimize it so you can have both on screen.
What do you mean?
Oh, good.
Ow. It shows up like that. I have to tap it every time.
This one.
Okay.
Go to your YouTube.
I'm following you. Got it. I mean, I get what you want me to. No, it's already muted. You can unmute it. It's fine.
It wasn't mute.
You made me daggum scratch up this thing. I don't like.
You do anything, sir.
I was paying attention to you. All right. I don't like tightening it that way. That's just habit. That's how I do. You have to do other coaxes. But I like making mine look pretty, and you don't have to see all that scratching. They didn't do hardly none of it, but that definitely irritates me.
Oh, this is an old one.
An old what?
That's an old video.
Yeah, that's the last video. That's not a new one. What?
Okay.
What are you talking about? You already know. All right. I'm looking. You know I've already done this, right? Why are you being smiley for?
Why are you being a canoe?
So you making it do the square thing? Push it in the top right corner.
What do you want it?
Push it up there. Watch. See? It separates into 4 squares. I've already done that. It messes up the chat.
Oh, I didn't know that was an option, actually.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you that one? I gotta pull a you. You didn't know that? Oh Lord. Sorry guys, we're cutting up because I don't know. She's full of pie and I'm getting full of pie.
Ah, I broke it.
You have to click.
No, I've been ragey today, and I had to spend some time with Jesus to try to get over it.
So
So I locked the kids in the basement, put Eleanor in front of a screen.
no, you put
The
them.
door's not actually locked. Don't report me to defects.
She sent them downstairs. We have
That's where they live. They have bedrooms and playrooms and TVs and everything.
You're making it worse. They have an air hockey and all kinds of stuff down there.
I like it in the basement.
Oh gosh, you just need to quit dogging.
If we stock the fridge down there.
All right, back to Coax.
They know what Coax is.
You don't want to talk about Coax. You want to talk about, I don't know.
Let's talk about the fact that we leave for Hawaii in 14 days. I feel like I'm on a podcast.
Whoa, you're podcasting it up. All right, so we're segueing on the RV supply, RF supply.
It's still relative.
We're talking about the events coming up. There are quite a few events coming up. I actually had another fella call me today, and then I called a couple other guys about some other events. There is for sure an event in Joliet, Illinois. There's another one. The other one is Cleveland, Ohio, not Toledo. I talked to a fella on yesterday's live about the events. There's another one in Southern California. I need my chair back, please.
No, you don't.
It's too much. Plus, I have to use, I don't know. You can move that heater though.
I've had sciatica pain all week, okay?
Don't start my.
You can let me drop on your chair.
But yeah, the next events coming up is all the events this year is to Cleveland, Ohio, Joliet, Illinois. They don't comment much on YouTube. I had like 8 or 10 of them boogers hopping in my daggum live. The other day. That's that old one.
This is an old one. Why do you even have that pulled up?
Click it. I don't know. Because I clicked the live thing and it didn't show up the right one.
Well, now you'll never forget. It's one watching now.
Whoop.
Or is that us watching?
I don't know. I don't think it counts it when you're doing it on YouTube. I think on Facebook it counts it, but on YouTube I don't think it does.
We have 4 people. Oh, 3 people.
I mean, it's Friday. I'm not worried about it. There's a bunch of guys that'll hop in on Saturday and check this out later. I mean, to be honest, I've actually looked at it. Even when I don't have like many people hopping in the live, it averages out for how many people actually watch it. So I'd still talk to the guys that check this stuff out later. I don't want the guys that are just watching now to feel like they're the only ones. There's plenty of other guys that see these videos. So I do appreciate the guys that check this stuff out afterward for sure.
So back to Hawaii. You know how I have that lovely personality flaw called ADHD procrastination?
They don't know nothing about that.
I'm talking to you. It's a podcast.
No, this is not a podcast. This is a Coax. We're building it. I'm gonna have to edit the daggum freaking title of the video. It's gonna be let's build some Coax and talk. I don't know.
Let's chit chat.
Yeah, there's actually the only option for Twitch whenever I'm doing my lives on Twitch is called just chatting.
That's funny. No, so I can't be productive unless I'm like under the gun, right? So like in college, I would write my papers, turn them in at 11:59 every night. Like I can't do the things. So today I have a countdown on my home screen on my phone, and it showed up 14 days. I'm like, wow, that's 2 weeks. And I went into a tailspin of a panic about flying.
Jeez, really?
I mean, I was shaking like a chihuahua in my recliner in my office. Like, all the things were swirling through my mind. So it's like I've saved all of my panicking and all of my worrying and stressing for now. Like, this is my ADHD procrastination. I'm going to panic now. Oh, we have 5 watchers. They like me.
They like your story.
But yeah, so I'm in there shaking like a chihuahua and wasted all of my caffeine in my system because I was shaking like a chihuahua instead of moving things with it.
So we want to wipe off the rosin core, but keep on. Go ahead.
Oh, hello. You got a quick hello.
What's up, man? Hope you're doing well, Joe. All right.
But yeah.
Next.
Oh, if they don't love me, they left.
No, you talked too long.
Oh. But yeah, so then I had to recaffeinate, and then I'm just feeling a lot of pressure to get a lot done in a little bit of time.
Yeah, you know, guys, I've been rushing her so hard. I've been making it so hard on her. I've been, uh, like fussing every day. No, I'm just kidding.
No, he's great. It's just, I think I also have unrealistic expectations on myself.
All right, we're not getting a therapy session.
I'm not doing that. I've already done that to all my friends today. Good evening.
Waving a hand. What's up, man? We're doing, I guess, build Coax and talk. We're gonna have to rename.
I'm pretending I'm on a podcast.
I'm gonna have to rename the title of the live. I got a pie out of this, so you guys got to hear this now.
Oh yeah, y'all missed the pie. I did strawberry rhubarb pie and a peach pie. But yeah. So I've come to the conclusion that it doesn't matter how much I worry about the plane falling out of the sky. I'm not special enough. None of us are special enough for something to actually happen to the plane. So I just shouldn't worry about it.
Man, that's a way to look at it, for sure.
But then I was talking to Kat, and I'm like, what if?
You don't what if a situation like that.
No, like my driving record, like how many car accidents I've been in.
You are not even close.
What if that
No.
transfers over to plane crashes?
You're not even.
So many times.
No, you haven't. Twice.
Not twice.
Oh yeah, two near-death experiences in a car. I mean,
before I was 30.
I guarantee you, there's been some guys that really had it rough, and actually did break some major stuff going on. I actually know a few. Remember, Mark, dude got paralyzed. You ain't got nothing on him.
I came close.
Dewey, he got paralyzed. You ain't got nothing on him.
I had a vehicle land on top of me. Okay, you know what? We're not comparing things. The Lord was watching over.
This turned into a therapy session here.
It's about to turn into a marital session. But yeah, like what if that transfers over to plane crash? And then in my Facebook feed, I guess because I've been talking about planes on my phone.
Oh my gosh.
My FBI agent popped up an article of a pilot that got arrested for DUI in Atlanta.
You realize the plane is like a ton of it's on autopilot, right?
Yeah.
Even landing on a lot of stuff on a plane is autopilot.
Is that RG400?
Yes, this is RG400. Yeah, I do have some 393 if you'd like some. I don't know what's going on with my live right now. I apologize. It normally doesn't mess up. I'm going to do a quick speed test. Give me just a second and see if what's wrong. Normally, I don't. No, it should be fine. I don't know what's going on. Let me hop up real quick and see if it's on Wi-Fi, honey. What am I hitting? Next. All right, give me a second. No, we're good. We're on Wi-Fi.
But a heater on too?
No, it's not on at all, actually.
Sitting on it?
Yeah, I sat on it earlier, and it was cold, so I actually did turn it on for a little bit.
Here.
But yes, no, It is, if that's correct, I apologize if I said your name wrong, but yes, I do have RG393, and yes, this is RG400 that I'm working on right here. If you guys watch close enough, you can see how I solder all these on, how I put them together. These are all velocity factors, what these are. Um, if you order from me, I don't charge to do velocity factor, yet. At some point I will, because it does take more time to do all that stuff. But, as of now, it doesn't.
$5.
Yeah. Uh-huh. $5. Let's work on some mention 5/8. Oh, $5 more. Yeah, that was really, no.
I do need to sit down and plan out our excursions
Yeah.
and figure out what we need to reserve ahead of time and pay for it.
Yeah. Ed and anybody else in here, if you guys would like me to zoom in, let me know. I tried to zoom out a little bit just to kind of give y'all a little bit different of an angle. But if you guys would like to see a little bit closer, just ask me to zoom in. Just say zoom in. If enough of you ask, then I'll just go ahead and do it. I don't think a lot of you guys realize how much power y'all have on these lives. I really don't care what camera angle I have or anything like that. So really what y'all request is what I end up going with. And usually it's only like 2 or 3 of you guys commenting. So it's like 2 or 3 you guys is like leading the lives. So, I only know what you guys want by what input you give me. So let me know.
Knowing?
Yes. Velocity factor is basically just a different way of saying that. So yes, I'm cutting to velocity factor. What that is allowing me to do is cut each one to it just depends on what frequency you're running it at. Now my live is glitching on my end. Is it glitching on you guys?
I need a drill bit.
Actually, let me do this. I'm just gonna kill this one
Can I have this?
and kill that one and see if it's messing up my internet. No, you cannot have my drill bit. Thank you very much.
I don't want this drill bit. I want the drill and a bit.
You already have a drill. Remember?
Okay, then I need a bit.
I
gotta go put some holes in our house.
No. I'll send you.
I don't like that word.
So
Give me
anybody?
my back.
Hang on a second. Everybody who's watching, is the video glitching on you guys or messing up? Because it seems like it's like getting choppy on my end. It's very digital. Let me know. I'm kind of curious. If it's just my computer, that's fine. I'm not really worried about it. But I just want to.
Where did you go?
I killed them all just to make sure it wasn't like drawing too much data. I've got like 100 meg down here.
Now you can't see comments. You're not good at this.
I don't have comments on YouTube. I get like a couple comments on YouTube, but not a ton. Yeah, you guys want to say anything on YouTube? Let me know if it's getting choppy on you guys too.
Are you
21 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I can do a split feed for you. Just let me know, and I can build you some 393. That's no problem.
It is glitching.
Copy it is glitching on y'all's end. I'm sorry. I don't know why. What?
You should stream to TikTok.
I cannot because I currently cannot download TikTok. I have a business page set up for TikTok. So I'm gonna.
I have TikTok. I can log in.
Whoop whoop. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You're not D-Wins RS.
Oh, wait, you're on my shoe. Oh, you put brown marks on my white slippers.
Well, you get for sitting on me. All right, so let me click this real quick and see if I have an option right here. Hey, I got 2 of you on Twitch waving a hand. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if my live is messing up on everything. So let me get back in on Twitch here in just a second. What are you doing? Quit popping my bubble. I need those. Quit.
Quit telling me no.
Get you daggone no. Quit popping my bubbles. All right, so Twitch guys, y'all let me know if it's glitching up on you guys too. I apologize for where's it at? Mine. What the heck is this? How can I not home? Aha, there it is. So hello. All right. I don't know who these people are, but they're not commenting and they're unknown. But YouTube didn't say anything. Don't know, Jessica. Look at it. I ain't got a clue. I just got it. You need to quit. Seriously, give it a break.
Give me a minute. I'll get it all blocked.
No. Just close it out.
He needs his total.
Yeah, that's fine. I will send you an invoice. I think I'm pretty sure I have your stuff, but just send me a message on. Hang on. Yeah, just click send a message on this business page right here, and I'll let you know. And we'll get it all worked out.
You want me to make an invoice?
There is an option for you if you wanted to check out on the website. It's called Velocity Factor jumpers, I believe, or Velocity Factor Coax. You can get it in 393. You can get it in RG400. You can get it in inch and 5/8, all that stuff. I only allow for one multiple at the moment, but in the future I will be able to do longer links. Of course, anybody can order a custom order, but it's super easy just to click velocity factor and check that box. And then you can write in the note, do a split feed instead of, UHF, or a split feed instead of PL259, or just do a split feed. Um, but I can build you an invoice just like normal. That's fine. I've done that for you before, so it's no big deal. But anybody who just doesn't want to deal with stuff, I got a lot of guys that just don't really like talking. They would rather just order it and be done with it. And they don't want to have to call me or send me a message or anything like that. The website is set up for that. It's dwinsrfsupply.com. Of course, if you want a custom order, you want to do something unique, that's outside the realm of what I normally do, then definitely contact me. If you want longer links, you can make a custom order. I do have a tutorial on how to do that on the website, but I am just as willing to talk to you on the phone and walk you through an invoice, and also just as willing to send you an invoice, through messages too. We're probably going to edit this live here in a minute. I think I'm going to try to change maybe my speed if it keeps glitching up. I need a rag. I don't know why it's messing up, to be honest. Maybe I can close some other stuff. Hang on one second. All right, let me go right here. Um, I don't know. So let's let this booger up. Do the next one is. What? No. What are you talking about? I got work. You can stay. I got puzzles for you. You stuck in. You're stuck in. You're stuck in the puzzle hole. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, you know how hot it is already. I put it on high. The other one, I kept it. I kept it on the low last time, and whatever I did. As long as you return it, no, you better get me some labels. That's clear. That's clear. That's not. I may have white back somewhere. I don't know. Over there in that. I don't know. I have no clue. No.
Clear's fine.
Oh, I have white. Hang on. I know where they're at. They're down here. Give me a second. I have black on white. I have red on black with no red with black ink. I have black ink with green background. I have I just got a assorted pack. I have black ink with yellow background. And this black ink with white background right here. And then I have black ink with white background again. And then I have no, can't have my clear. Then I have black ink with blue background. Then I have black ink with white background. And then I have black ink with clear backgrounds. Okay, just pull it up like that. Drop the other one in. And then test. The batteries are dead. Or dying, actually.
Yeah.
Let's just check that.
Brevsky. I'm not built for this.
Label. Check. Peek. I just printed something just to see. I must shine you a spotlight. Well, I'll stand there and listen. Yeah, you guys be supportive. Supportive. She is the one that allows me to stay here and work. You better hurry.
No.
You better hurry. Oh yeah, and it's cold in here, huh? All right, I'll be done in a little bit. I'm already 3 in. I gotta get. Crap, I need to work. I get finished. I gotta do that in the split feed. I gotta get you beyond the point of no return and then cut it off. All right, love you, bye. All right, get back to work. So, for guys that don't know what I'm doing, I'm working on some RG400. Um, I'll show you guys some 393, I guess, just so you guys can see it. This is what RG393 looks like. What he was wanting. Uh, what he's wanting to do is do a split feed on this side, Y it out like that, like a Y. I can do that. That's no problem. I do it all the time. I'm building another split feed after this. It's going to be for some. Let me throw that door back up. It'll be for a UHF connector, and I'll be working on that shortly. All right, but give me till after this live, and I'll send you an invoice for a split feed. I believe I still have your information, but if I don't, then I will message you on this page, and then I will get it all worked out for you. So after I finish this, I've got to do a UHF split feed. Next week, I'll be working on some 7/8 hardline, and then I'll be working on some 1/2 inch flex after that. If shipping would ever stop being stupid, then I would be working on a bird meter. I've got a bird meter that I'm going to be running a bunch of tests on to make sure it works up to par, and then the customer will have what they need. But I think everything says it'll be here by Saturday, even though I made an order or ordered my stuff. I think it was Monday or something. So instead of 2-day delivery, it's like 6-day delivery. That's wild. All right. So if you guys have any questions on Twitch, on YouTube, or on Facebook, y'all feel free to ask. This is a bunch of, like I said, RG400 that I'm working on now. I did some pretty cool stuff the other day. This is a lot of the 7/8 that I was working on. This is the 7/8 split feed right here. I'm missing the shield braid. It's sitting right over there. This is a custom little swivel adapter that I've got set up for them. And then I got a custom clamp and a couple custom brackets. Um, that was a pretty cool setup. I like sometimes, not all the time, doing custom stuff. I know it's pretty cool for you guys to see something new. So I do appreciate being able to do it every once in a while. And then kind of gets me away from the same thing over and over. I've done a bunch of RG400, which I don't hurt my feelings none. I don't care. It's just wire. I build wire all the time, so. But I know for you guys, it's always nice to be able to see a new video of something, rather than just me talking about it. I think I'm gonna move the camera to a better spot since we can't hardly say anything. So I'm just going to do this real quick. Give me a second. This is not going to be the best setup, but I think it's time for a change, and I don't mind swapping around so you guys can see. Flip this booger around. I don't know if this is going to be the right angle or not. We will edit and move legal and blah, blah, blah. All the other stuff that needs to be done whenever you move something around. So we'll raise this up. We'll go down. Something like that, I think. And we'll see if that's a good camera angle. I do not know why it's glitching up. I do apologize to you guys. I'll try to figure that out later. I don't think I have slow internet. I'm pretty confident it's not slow, but hey, that's wild, man. It's glitching up like crazy. Yeah, I'll be doing something about that. I've been meaning to put in a ticket. I got some 2 gig service. I might just go ahead and trench a whole line down here and be done with this crap, so I can have 2 gig all the way down to my shop. I gotta think. If I want the camera to go to the left, I need to turn it to the right. So turn it to the right. There you go. I don't know if this would be a cooler camera angle or not. I do realize that it's a stupid I feel like I just want to reset my whole Wi-Fi. Is it messing up the audio too, guys? I know it's messing up the video, but is it messing up the audio? This is well, I can't reset the whole network, but what I can do, let's see if it's settling out. So, nope, it's still glitching out. Right, give me just a second, and I'm gonna do a reset. All right, we're not doing this no more. So it's glitching up. We're not. So what do we got right here? We've got full charge, but we're gonna kill it, and we're gonna go explore. Let's just go exploring while we're resetting our stuff. So I gotta get my spotlight, and we'll run outside. Da-da. So here's what we'll be working on tomorrow. I'm just doing this on the live so that I can give it a chance to reset the internet. But do. So this came out pretty good. So all I've got to do is I'm going to work on this motor right here. There's a couple more tower sections back there. We're going to be working on this booger tomorrow. I've got the pin out for this and everything I need. So I will be working on that super shortly. But I wanted to give it a chance for you guys to see. This is my little RF sled right here. And of course, that's the top up there. But yeah, it's fully nested right now. So this is the shortest it'll get. She's a tall boy. And there's some this is how big the call it the outriggers are. They go out like that. And go out like that on each one. And then there's another tower that we will be digging out of the briars here shortly. It's just a bunch of briars. It's Georgia. It's part of it. All right. So let's run back around, see if our Wi-Fi reset worked. Nothing's glitching up out here from what I've seen. So we'll run back around and do some more wire. So internet's a fickle thing. We're supposed to have 2 gig out here. I'm in the boonies, but luckily they just ran fiber through, and when they did, I just I came out on the bright side of things. There's a bunch of mess right there by the door. I've got this is the bane of my existence. Hang on a second, let me get around here. This right here is the bane of my existence. This pile. I've got a bunch of dollies I gotta get moved. Some all those tools right there, every one of these tools. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. They all get organized on that wall. But the wall is in disarray, so I got to reorganize my wall. And we'll get that shortly. All right. So it looks like Facebook is the one glitching up. I don't know. So Facebook's messing up. Let me go to YouTube. YouTube is not messing up at all. It's literally all Facebook. Well, I appreciate the YouTube guys. Thank you guys for hopping in here and checking it out. Did get to show y'all some pretty cool things. Let's go to YouTube real quick. No, YouTube's loading too. All right, is YouTube good? You guys let me know. Tell me if that should be publicly. All right. YouTube looks pretty good. I don't know. I just reset my Wi-Fi, so maybe it'll stay good. I don't know what happened to Facebook. It just died. Twitch and YouTube it is. You guys got questions, y'all feel free to ask. If you'd like to know anything, then we can talk about it. You guys don't comment too much on YouTube, so I would appreciate if y'all said something not specifically for any reason other than I'm trying to make sure that my chat's working. If you guys are saying stuff and I'm knocking out, we're gonna kill this and I'll start a new one.